Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look here at Space Stock. Now this is a company we have traded very heavily here on the channel over the last few weeks here guys, and in 2020, but in 2021 I kind of stopped looking at this company, and one of the main reasons was this dip that we did see after the company reached recent highs of $35. They had some very bad news with one of their space shuttle programs. It didn't even make it to space guys, and as a result the company sold off to lows at around $22. But in the Discord guys, I was letting you know that $22 was going to be the very best price to be picking up this stock here for the long term, and I know a lot of you guys took advantage of that and did hop in at this lower price guys, which we have had charted here on our chart for probably the last few months almost of time. So these are not new levels on the stock guys, and if you've been following us this stock along with the channel, then you already know these levels are very obvious and are the levels that we were expecting space to be hitting here over the last few weeks of time. But now we're back near these highs at around $35 guys. So I want to explain why this is such an exciting time and why come Monday I'm looking to actually hop in if the price can pull back a little. Now you guys might be thinking, why would you come in if the price doesn't break this all-time high? But I want to show you guys what happened last time we were around this price guys. $35 was a critical moment for the stock where we actually felt the pullback and where we got that really bad news about that space shuttle mission guys, the fact that it couldn't get to space or whatever it might have been with space stock guys. But as you can see, the company took 3 times here to test this $35 level, and I think that a very similar thing is going to be happening right now. Now there's another thing different here from this time than last time, and that's going to be the volume. As you can see here, the volume was very much flat when the company did reach this $35 level previously and the last time they came up, and then following you can see that the red volume here was very much higher than any other sort of volume, and especially as a result of that event, a lot of people were selling their position and selling their shares on space stock guys, and you can see that caused a massive rip to the downside. But now we're seeing the exact opposite. We're seeing huge candles which are green guys, and what this means is that a lot more people are stepping in for the longer term, and a lot more people are looking to buy the stock now after this news and after the dip, now that they know that these prices have been tested in the past and that $35 can hold as a realistic level for space stock coming into the future guys. So there's obviously a lot of people who like this stock, who want to buy it for the longer term, and there's a lot of people buying this stock every time a dip comes up guys. But the realistic thing is that this stock has not been able to break these levels in the past, and when the stock rises up, they always see a pullback guys, and that's what we've been consistently seeing over the last few weeks. So I wouldn't expect this time to 35 to be any different, but there is a lot of differences that could cause the stock to rip. However, what I realistically think is going to happen here is a cup and handle. Now what it looks like here is a U with a second smaller U attached to the end of it, and that's exactly what I think the price action is going to be doing with space stock. So I'm going to be looking to pick them up here around $32 or $33. I think that's going to be a pretty fair price here, and then I'm just going to strap in and wait for them to break above this price guys. And the reason that I think that they're going to bust above so violently, similar to how GameStop or Bed Bath & Beyond have been doing over the last week here, is because of how many short sellers are trapped here at this $35 level guys. Now this is one of the most shorted stocks on the stock market guys, and one of the main reasons is because they have been reaching these high levels and have consistently been selling off after they make a huge run up. So there's a lot of people who see these past trends and want to bet against the stock now that they're back at $35. They've been successful once in the last month here, and they're looking to do it again with space stock over the next few days, try to push it back down here guys. But I think that there's just too many investors hopping in since the $22 level and for the longer term here with space stock, and as a result I think that we are going to be able to break above this $35 level very easily here guys. But what I'm trying to say is that the stock is going to be making some sort of a pattern here, like a cup pattern. So obviously wait for the price to pull back just a small bit to 33, 32. Now, if you want to stay updated to exactly when I'm getting in on this stock, guys, make sure you check out the free list Discord, which is linked down in the description below, guys. So that is absolutely free. There's no cost to join, and you can join our community there where I'll be answering any questions you guys might have and showing you exactly what I'm doing live with your favorite stocks, especially space stock. This is one that I'm going to be looking to hop in on Monday, like I said, if we do see some sort of a pullback here with this company. But if we don't see a pullback, then I will be looking to definitely hop in while the iron is still hot. And if this company is going to be rocketing above 35, then I will definitely be a part of that move, looking for the company to ultimately come to 42 or maybe even reach new all-time highs, which I do see as plausible if this company can continue moving into 2021 and showing us more good news, guys. Now, there is news coming on Virgin Galactic, including their earnings here in about a month and a half, guys, but I don't see any reason to be worried about that, and I think that the stock will continue to rally, at least here in the short run, if we can break above this $35 level, guys. But in the short term, I'm looking to hop in on some shares at either $32 or $33, guys. But like I said, again, I will be showing you the live price exactly when I do decide to hop in the link Discord down in the description below, guys. But as always, if you want to do your own technical analysis, make sure you also check out the TradingView link, which is the platform you're seeing me using right now and the platform that I do all my technical analysis, guys, on every single day. So that's going to be pretty cool. If you guys enjoy seeing these videos and want to try out the analysis for yourself, these lines are painted by me. They're not originally here on the chart, so I'm not just reading what's happening, guys. I'm predicting it into the future. And if you want to learn exactly how to do it, make sure you keep an eye on what I'm saying in these videos, guys, and especially check out my video from a couple days ago explaining how I do risk to reward ratio and when I decide to hop in on these plays, guys. So that's going to be a valuable resource for you to check out if you enjoy these videos, guys, and want to try it for yourself. But as always, I hope you enjoy the content we've been putting out over the last few days. I heard you guys say you really wanted to see space stock in the poll that I put out on the channel page. So if you enjoy the videos, guys, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope all your plays are in the green.